Crafty Hope, and I am working on making me a quick necklace. I decided I needed a necklace to go with my outfit, and so I'm making a quick sari silk tassel. So all I'm using is some recycled sari silk that I got on Etsy some time ago, and I took a long length and decided about how long I wanted my tassel to be. So I want each of the strands of the tassel to be half of one of these lengths, which are, let's see, real quick, let's measure that and we'll see. It is about just over 8 inches. So I cut, I don't know how many of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 6 of these 8-inch lengths, and I have them, or had them all matched up evenly. And I have a large bead cap here and a length of 22 gauge wire. This is probably about 1 foot of 22 gauge wire, which is probably plenty of what I need. And what I'm going to do, now that I have these matched up again, I think, and I can always trim this later once I get it inserted, is I'm going to just fold this in half. And then I'm going to take my wire here and slip a little bit of it in that curve there, and that where that bend is. And I'm going to basically just wrap this really tight. I'm going to wrap this around this sari silk a couple of times. I'm trying to find the center again. So I'm going to wrap that around there just a time or two just to make sure it's nice and tight, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead, and while I'm at it, go ahead and just twist that off here at the top. And then I'm going to take a wire cutter and trim off my excess and use a flat nose or chain nose plier to just secure that end. I'm always about my secure ends. And then I'm going to insert that whole thing into the bead cap and pull down. Now, I probably could have added a bit more of the sari silk if I had wanted, but like I said, I'm just making this super quick. So I've inserted that. It's as tight as I can get it, and I'm going to grab my round nose pliers and make a 90-degree bend over it, adjust my pliers, and basically just make a wrapped loop. I'm going to go around. I'm going to make this a pretty big, like, I'm going to overlap it. It may not be messy because I've mentioned before I'm not real good with messy loops, but I'm going to make this a big honkin' wrap to make sure it's securely in there and that it matches pretty much with that bead cap. Alright, so I'm going to trim off my excess. So that 12 inches was more than enough, as you see. I'll take my chain nose and secure this down just like this. And then I have a sari silk tassel. And again, I can now take these are my good fabric scissors, and trim this if I want to make it a little more even. So I've got 1 or 2 in there. They're just a bit too long, and I'm just going to trim it like so. And I am done with that. I just need to add it to some kind of chain, and I've got to decide what kind of chain. I could use a regular chain or make a quick beaded chain and be done. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions about this process or anything, let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can see what else little tricks and things I've got going on around here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.